In the vast landscape of car maintenance, two names stand tall: AutoZone and O'Reilly Auto Parts. These titans of the industry are locked in an epic battle for the hearts and wallets of car owners everywhere. But what sets them apart? Which one reigns supreme? Join me as we delve into the world of auto parts and compare these industry giants. This isn't just about spark plugs and oil filters, it's about trust, value, and convenience. When your car breaks down, you need a reliable source for parts and expertise. So, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of AutoZone and O'Reilly is crucial. Let's dive in. AutoZone, founded in 1979, burst onto the scene with a focus on providing DIYers with the parts they needed at competitive prices. Their rise was meteoric, quickly becoming a household name. On the other hand, O'Reilly, with roots dating back to 1957, built its reputation on serving both professional mechanics and everyday car owners. Both companies share a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They've expanded rapidly, with thousands of stores across the nation. This fierce competition has driven innovation and, ultimately, benefited customers with better prices and services. Stepping into an AutoZone, you're often greeted with a sea of red. Their staff, known for their product knowledge, are usually happy to help you find the right part. They'll even offer advice on installation. O'Reilly, with its green and white color scheme, prides itself on a more personalized experience. Many customers appreciate O'Reilly's willingness to go the extra mile, whether it's testing your car battery or lending a tool. However, experiences can vary from store to store, and ultimately, it comes down to the individual employees you encounter. Both AutoZone and O'Reilly offer a vast inventory of parts from leading brands. Whether you need a new battery, brakes, or just some windshield wiper fluid, they've got you covered. AutoZone often runs aggressive promotions and discounts, making it a tempting option for the budget-conscious. O'Reilly, while generally a bit pricier, emphasizes quality and often stocks a wider selection of premium brands. They also offer a convenient online ordering system with in-store pickup. When it comes to finding the right part at the right price, both contenders put up a good fight.